Hi everyone, let's make some fiery Thai chicken lettuce wraps today. These wraps are soy-free, gluten-free, and refined sugar-free, but so delicious and super spicy. So let's get cooking. First, let's make the sauce. You're gonna need 4 tablespoons of coconut aminos, 1 tablespoon of red boat fish sauce, and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. You wanna mix, and set aside. For the fiery chicken, you're gonna add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil over a very hot pan. Add 1.5 tablespoons of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of minced ginger, and half a serrano chili pepper minced. You're gonna saute all of that together for 30 seconds. Then add 1 pound of ground chicken breast and saute all of that together for another 2 minutes. Then you're gonna add your sauce mixture and cook all of that together for another 2 minutes. Then turn off the heat. You wanna fold in a handful of thinly sliced basil leaves. And last, you wanna add 1 tablespoon of pure maple syrup and glaze it over the chicken. Now it's ready to be plated. You wanna scoop up a generous amount of the fiery chicken into your lettuce leaves. I like to double up my butter lettuce leaves, and it's gonna make about 8 servings. So pretty. Let's put some lime on these babies. And there you go.